If you want to use portable hotspot on POCO X7 Pro, first of all, you will have to open Settings and now go into More Connectivity Options. Then start from Portable Hotspot, and now before you actually turn it on, you can find some options right here, right? So when you click to set up the portable hotspot, first you can change the password. So here, this is the default password. You can change the security. I can recommend you to go for this one. And then here you can find the device identification, so the default or portable hotspot. You can also select a band between 2.4 and 5, and you can hide its SSID. So basically you will hide the name of your hotspot if needed. Now if you select everything, by the way, you can also change name of your SSID of your hotspot by clicking here. If you finish, click on this switcher, and now you can also turn on to support 5th generation standard. And here you can also set the one-time data limit. And now you can just simply turn it on, and that's basically it.